I've been earlier this year I shipped out quite a bit of pepper plants, and some people did good. One person got 3, and the thing I tell them, when the peppers was growing in the house, I grow them inside the house, and when you get them, you gotta keep them for like 1 or 2 days inside, and not put them out in the broiling sun. My father, when he plant when he pick up suckers, after he pick suckers to plant, I was younger, he used to cut a piece of limb and put over them, like when he plant tomato. He cut a limb and put over them to shade them. They need shade. They need to be protected from the hot sun until the root catch good, you know what I mean? So you have to do that when you have the young plants before you put them out in the sun.